Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you all? I hope all are great at home. Okay, today we are going to talk about some more lines. In our last class, we talked about our standing line and sleeping line. Okay, today I am going to tell you about the slanting line. Which line? Slanting line. Kids, we have two types of slanting lines. One is right slanting line and the other one is left slanting line. Okay, the first one is slightly bent towards right side, so that is called as right slanting line, and the second one is slightly bent towards or tilt towards the left side, so that is called as left slanting line. Okay, have you seen slanting lines in anywhere? Yes, you can see slanting lines in so many places. For example, please look at this. What is this? This is a slide. Okay, kids, we can see so many slanting lines in our day-to-day life. Around us, we can see so many slanting lines. Can you please tell me what is this? Oh, this is a slide. Where we can see the slides? We can see the slides in the park. Do you like to go into the park? No, we can't go to the park now. Why? Because everywhere there is corona, so we can't go. Please stay home and be safe. Okay, now I will show you slanting lines on this slide. Can you please show me slanting lines? Okay, I will show you the slanting lines on this slide. Okay, look, this is a slanting line in this side, and on the other side there is another slanting line. Oh, there are two slanting lines in this slide. Okay, up and down, I climb the staircase. Up and down, yes, we all climb the staircase up and then climb down. Children, you see the reel of the staircase. Have you seen the reel of the staircase? Okay, how does it look like? Now you can tell how does it look like. Yeah, very good. It look like a slanting line. Look, slanting line, and there are so many slanting lines. Okay, so whenever you climb a staircase with your mom, and show them the slanting lines. Okay, look, what is the boy doing? Oh, he is fishing in a pond. Have you ever fishing in a pond? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a fish alive. Okay, how does the rod look like? The fishing rod looks like a slanting line. Very good. And there is a row. Have you seen row? Row your boat gently down the stream. Oh, this is the row. And how does the row look like? The row looks like a slanting line. Dear kids, can you please tell me what is this? This is a hill. Have you seen hill? Oh, this is a hill. What are the tiny creatures that marching up to the hill? Oh, these are the hardworking, small and tiny ants. A for ants. These are ants. I will show you two slanting lines on the hill. Okay, this is one slanting line and this is another slanting line. Very good. Okay kids, now let's say hi or hello to the sun. This is the sun. Okay, let's say hi sun. Hello sun. Thank you for giving us light and heat. The sun gives us light and heat. Okay, and the sunlight comes to us in the form of sunrise. Okay, I will show you the sunrise. Let's check. These are the sun rays. Okay, the sunrise come in the form of slanting lines. The sunrise come in the form of slanting lines. So we can see so many slanting lines. So thank you Mr. Sun for giving us heat and light. Now let's go once again to the park. Do you like to play in the seesaw? There are two kids on the seesaw. How does the seesaw look like? The seesaw look like the slanting line. Okay, very good. Now let's check. What is this? This is a hut, a small house that is called as hut. Okay, now can you please show me slanting lines on the roof of the hut? Yes, you can. Okay, let's try. There is a slanting line on this side and another slanting line on this side. Just like there is one more slanting line. So there are so many slanting lines in this hut. Okay kids, now it's time for some work. Okay, this is the rain is falling just like the slanting lines due to the heavy wind. Due to the heavy wind, the rain falls like slanting lines. In our last class, we have seen that while we are studying the standing lines, we saw that the rain is falling just like standing lines, but there is no wind at that time. But due to the heavy wind, the rain is falling just like slanting lines. So what you have to do is you have to go over these slanting lines, all these slanting lines, join these slanting lines and color these clouds and the hut. Okay, I am sure children you are all going to do it very nicely.